Think of it like this: pain, point of view, path. What's the pain that they have right now? What's your point of view on their pain? And what's the path you can give them that's going to fix that pain right now? Use this 3-part hook to turn lurkers into leads on LinkedIn. So I just wanted to cover in this video a 3-step method that will help you convert more leads, or more lurkers I should say, into leads from LinkedIn. A problem that I see, people posting on LinkedIn but they're not getting the reach nowadays. They're not getting the read. People are not reading their posts, and they're not getting leads on LinkedIn. So the reason that's happening is because their hook isn't strong enough. So I want to just cover today a formula that you can use to improve your hook on LinkedIn and stop the scroll and turn the views or the lurkers into leads. Because hooks will decide if your posts get seen. A good hook means more dwell time, more reach, more pipeline. No hook and then you're invisible. So if your hook isn't there, if it's just part of a paragraph, then you're not going to get seen. So here's how it goes. The 3 P's, I call it: the pain, the point of view, and then the path. The 3 P's. Let me go through each one of those. So the pain is the symptom, how they feel. How are they feeling in their words right now? Then it's the point of view. What's your point of view on that pain? And then it's the path, and the path is one specific step that you can help them with fixing that pain. Let's put that into practice and walk through some examples. So let's think about how this could work. So a pain could be posting daily but no leads. That's a pain. The point of view is you're chasing the 3% ready right now. The path is build a workshop funnel that nurtures the 97%. See what I did there? So you've got the pain, then you've got the point of view, and then you've got the path to fix it. So pain, posting daily but no leads. Point of view, you're chasing the 3% ready right now. Path, build a workshop funnel that nurtures the 97%. So let's look at some more examples. Pain, your posts get views, not bookings. Point of view, views don't pay, calls to action do. Path, add 1 call to action to a lead magnet and capture email. So you've got the pain, the point of view, and the path. 3 steps. Another one. Pain, my offer feels fuzzy. Promise or point of view is promise 1 big outcome, deliver the rest later. Path, run a micro problem workshop, then invite to a call. So you can see how you're taking them, they're thinking about the pain, they're considering the pain that is painful right now because I'm not getting the leads, I'm not getting people sign up for workshops. And then the next step is, well, because you're doing this wrong, or I believe you're doing this wrong, you're chasing after the 3%, or you're promising 1 big outcome and deliver the rest later. And then the path is, well, build a workshop funnel that nurtures the 97%, or run a micro problem workshop and then invite to a call. You see how you can kind of switch it up a little bit? So the pain is a specific problem. The point of view is a stance that flips belief. And the path is 1 concrete step they can take that you can give them to take to fix the next step. So that being said, let's look at some mistakes that a lot of people are making that you can avoid right now. Vague pain. If you're using words like struggling, it's very vague. Make it measurable. If you can convert a struggling pain to something more measurable and more tangible, it's going to have more views. A weak point of view, agreeing with the crowd. What's your stance? What's your take on it? Maybe the path is too big because people get overwhelmed if they see something that's too big that they think they can do. But give them one micro step that's achievable, that gives them a quick win. It's going to make a big difference. And again, multiple call to actions can confuse people. Keep it clear. Use one call to action. So that's my advice for today. If you want some help with this, I've got a LinkedIn audit you can use, and it's a 3-hole LinkedIn audit, and it will show you exactly the holes that you've got maybe in your profile and in your lead magnet, and you can go and fix them and identify them in 15 minutes. The link will be below, but otherwise I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.